In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks on Zoho projects. We'll walk through the quickest and cleanest way to add a new task using the latest Zoho projects interface, so you can keep your work organized without getting lost in extra menus or settings. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho projects and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical sidebar. In that sidebar, click on the option labeled Projects. This is where all of your active projects are listed. Take a moment to find the specific project where you want to add your new task. Then click on it to open that project's workspace. Once your project is open, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation band. Here, you'll see several tabs such as Overview, Tasks, and maybe a few others depending on your setup. Go ahead and click on the tab labeled Tasks. This takes you into the central area where all of the tasks for this project are managed. Inside the Tasks area, move your eyes to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Add Task. This is the fastest way to create a new task from anywhere within the project. Click that Add Task button, and a task creation panel or window will appear. At the top of this panel, you'll see a field called Task Name. Click into that field and type a clear, concise title for your task. Try to use a name that makes sense at a glance, so that anyone on your team can quickly understand what needs to be done. For example, instead of Update, you might write Update Homepage Banner Image. Next, look for the drop-down labeled Task List. This is a required field, and it's important because it controls where your task will live within the project. Click the drop-down and choose one of the existing task lists, such as To Do, In Progress, or any custom list your team has created. If you skip this step, Zoho projects won't let you save the task, so make sure a list is selected before you continue. Once you've entered the task name and selected a task list, you're ready to save. At the bottom of the panel, click the Add button. Zoho projects will create your task and place it in the task list you chose, and you'll see it appear in your tasks view almost immediately. That's all you need to do to create a task in Zoho projects with the fewest clicks.